Hi, my name is Carolyn, and this video is designed to give you a brief overview of our viewneo partner program. Over the past couple of years, we've been working hard to develop a wide range of products that are truly innovative in the digital signage marketplace, and we really want to share them with the rest of the world. So what exactly does it mean to become one of our partners? So the first question that we usually get is around commission and fee structure. We offer a 20% commission on the sale of all viewneo hardware, licenses, and plugins. And we've also really worked hard to develop a system of support for all of our partners. So for example, we offer each of our partners access to 2 licenses and all plugins for free. We also provide a personal contact here at viewneo. So this is a person who you're able to reach out to if you ever have any questions or concerns. We also offer a wide range of free training sessions and webinars. So this is a great chance for you to stay up to date on what's going on with us here at viewneo, as well as see what's coming up in the pipeline. And finally, we also offer free advertising material, which is a great way to introduce viewneo to some of your existing customers. So who do we think would make a great partner? Really, anybody could be a great partner with us, but we have found in the past that there's a couple of groups that seem to work really well with us. Full service providers, IT system solutions, content providers and producers, advertising and marketing agencies, and resellers and startups. But really the most important thing in a partner for us is somebody who's willing to invest the time and grow with us into the future. Now that you've decided to become a partner, what happens next? Once you become a partner, you'll get your own personalized affiliate link. With this affiliate link, you're free to share it in any of your promotional materials or on your website. When someone makes a purchase using this affiliate link, you'll automatically receive a 20% commission on the total sale. And those proceeds will be given to you the month following the sale. All you have to do is provide us with your bank account information and we'll take care of the rest. If you're interested in becoming a viewneo partner, just send us a short email at sales@viewneo.com. Additional information can be found in the description below and includes some information about you and your business line and what you're looking for as a partner. This will help us tailor our offerings to you when we reach out. I hope you found this video interesting and informative, and I hope to see you in the future as a viewneo partner.